let's get this 2009 BMX season underway. Seven people moto here. This is your 13 to 43 rookie novice expert class. We got Timothy Bad Boy Vinoy, Jamie Head of the Shoulder Richie, Walker Shaw, Matt the Maniac Borton, Lauren Lanter, Devin Long Gonzalez, and Brando Hardesty.
Okay, riders, random start. Riders, ready, watch the gate.
And it's like we are underway here, the first moto, the first race of the 2009 season. Looks like the quick start, that might be Brando. I think it is, but Vinoy takes the lead position right there. Looks like Vinoy and Brando followed closely by Devin Gonzalez, Burton, and Richie right there. Knocking on the door, Brando makes the move underneath. Devin trying to come back. It's side-by-side racing, blue chip chain wolf right there. Into the third turn, it's Vinoy, Hardesty, around the third turn, coming towards the line. It's going to be Vinoy leading out, but looks like Hardesty's making a hard charge. It will be too close to call. But third place definitely goes to long gone. 11 and over, rookie expert. We got Luca the Bazooka Shaw, Joseph Supermodel Richie, Andrew Waddell, Antonio the Rocket Benessi, and Dalton White. One moment, guys.
Okay, riders, random start. Riders, ready, watch the gate.
Gate 2 drops down. This is all full of blue chip colors here. Looks like Luca the Bazooka Shaw running in the blue jersey up there, Team Blue. And around the first turn, it is Luca Shaw, followed by Antonio the Rocket. Into turn 2, out of turn 1, into straight number 2. Heading towards the second turn. It's going to be all Luca, followed by Antonio. Right there is Dalton White, followed by Josie Richie and Waddell. Still leading it out. It is Luca the Bazooka around turn 3. Not too far off the back wheel is Antonio. Down to the finish line, it will be Luca Shaw, followed by Antonio.
Whatever, man.
Dalton and Josie, followed by Waddell. Jackson Banks, Jack Ritchie, Colton Nanny.
Okay, riders, random start.
Come on, Colton. Come on,
you got it. Riders, ready, watch the gate.
When that gate goes down, it's like Jackson Banks got a sweet gate on that one. I'm telling you what's the truth. It is going to be Richie and Banks side by side in turn 1. It's Richie, followed by Banks, followed by Skip, followed by Coltrane. 1, 2, 3, 4, they run. This is a familiar grouping right here. It's going to be Richie, Jackson Banks, Skipper, and Colton Nanny in a new helmet, rocking it solid. Still going to be Richie, still going to be Jackson Banks, who's improved, much improved. Took a first and second place, first and second day in the regional. Looks like coming down the line, it's going to be an all-out sprint. Looks like Jackson's got some more on him. It's going to be Jack for the win, followed by Jackson, Skip, and Colton. We got David Frattini, David Lease, Cody Nanny, Lexi Lewis, and Jamie Ritchie.
Okay, riders, random start. Riders, ready, watch the gate.
And off the gate they come. Looks like that's Lexicon Lewis. Right there he is, riding down the first straight. It will be Lexi Lewis sporting that brand new 2009 blue chip jersey. Oh, some style that he went up with another one. He's collecting everybody. Looks like Jamie Superstar Richie right here at the back. There he goes. We're here for Jamie Ritchie, track owner, operator almost here. Bike inspection. Out of turn 3 is Jamie Superstar Richie taking his moto due to the misfortune of others. He's going to challenge. Oh, he takes it for the win. Number 5, your 5'8" rookie novice. Waddell and Alex Dinley.
Okay, riders, random start. Riders, ready, watch the gate.
And off they go. Could be Alex right here. Right here it is. Alex Dinley leading it out. That's your 8 rookie, Alex Dinley, followed by Isaac Waddell and Chris Grice, who also had a great showing in Tanglewood, getting better every week. You just can't stop the man from riding, that's for sure. Out of turn 2, still Dinley, followed by Waddell and Grice. Grice by the back wheel of Waddell here, trying to make a move. Still Alex Dinley in turn 3. Coming towards the finish line, it is Dinley, Waddell, and Grice. Grice trying to make it, trying to get it, showing that speed, showing that charisma. Doing Dinley from the wheel, but let's see, I can't tell who takes 2 spots. Rita Sell, Rachel Lanner, and Laney Lanner.
Okay, riders, random start. Riders ready, watch the gate.
And there they go. I see, looks like Owen Rita Sell in the middle there, but looks like this could be Lane and Rachel Lanner on the outside. Or is that Laney? Owen with the underneath, still Owen Rita Sell. That's Rachel Lanner in the lead there. Followed by Rita Sell and Laney Lanner. Rachel's got the need for speed, sporting the brand new jersey of the 09 Blue Chips. Into turn 3, still going to be Rachel Lanner, followed by Owen Rita Sell, and then Laney Lanner. Start to finish, it's going to be Rachel Lanner, followed by Owen Rita Sell.
What do you have in the last one? 6. Eli. 13.
Well, man.
How was your day? Good? Yeah, man, hop out. You're good, guys. As soon as you hear that first beat.
You can let him go after the gate if you want to.
We're good.
Alright guys, here we go.
Random start.
7, what's your number?
Riders ready, watch the gate.
And off they go. And it's gonna be Ethan Banks leading it out. Look at the little fellas. He's scorching this weekend at the regional in Tanglewood. All purpose, I believe. First place every which way you go was Ethan Banks, who has found some pedal, worked hard in the offseason, and it has paid off. That is your 5 rook right there, Ethan Banks.
Hella hardy, all the way. All the way the line. Hold, you can go.
Eli Hunter, and then Isaac Stone. Still leading out is Ethan Banks, leading it.
Yeah, buddy.
And here's Ethan around turn 3, trying to bring it home.
Yeah, cruise.
Followed by Eli.
Go, 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 go.
Ethan and Eli, followed by Isaac. There will be Ethan Banks, followed by Eli Lanter and Isaac Stone, who looks like he's still got it going out there. Into the 3rd turn, it's still the Stone man. And he's bringing it around. Still looking good on those pedals.